While shampoos usually get all the credit for beautifying lifeless tresses, there exist a hefty handful who view conditioners with suspicion. Hi, I'm Neha, and I'm here to turn the tide by revealing some of the most common myths and misconceptions about conditioners and why you shouldn't fall for them. So let's go. If you're experiencing hair fall, it's probably got to do with your diet, lifestyle, hormones, and other such factors. But conditioner definitely doesn't make this list. On the contrary, conditioners actually help reduce hair fall and breakage. Here's the math to prove it. Conditioners make your hair soft and smooth by controlling knots and frizz, which means it magically manipulates your hair into behaving itself and keeps your strands firmly rooted in your scalp instead of the sink. While conditioners have the ability to make frizz and dryness disappear in a single wash, they also miraculously transform damaged hair. If your hair is damaged, then Dove's Intense Repair Conditioner does a great job of immediately smoothing the surface of your strands for a healthier appearance. Of course, there are different variants for different hair types, so that every hair concern can be given customized treatment, leaving your hair looking healthy and nourished, which is exactly what we are all after. If there's anything that could make your hair look limp and flat, is the natural oils produced by your scalp, an excessive amount of which will cause your hair to lose its bounce and volume. So conditioner isn't really the flat hair culprit. In fact, its nourishing superpowers effectively leave your hair looking full of life. If you have fine hair, you can always opt for a conditioner that's crafted to your texture. And yes, that totally exists. If your hair or scalp feels like a massive oil spill during summer, you can place the blame on the humidity and heat. They are the real mischief makers that make your hair and scalp super greasy. While we cannot control the climate, we can improve our hair's health by conditioning. Conditioners retain the moisture in the cuticle of your hair shaft and shield each of the strands from the harsh summer heat. Skipping conditioner can make your hair look limp and lifeless, which is not on anyone's hair care checklist. Conditioners, unlike wine, do not get better with time. If you're leaving it in for any longer than a couple of minutes with the hope it will win you additional benefits, know this, that's not how it works. The conditioners of today work their magic almost instantly, allowing you to reap their benefits in minutes. What's more important than the amount of time you leave it in is how well you apply and distribute the product throughout your hair. So take your first steps towards a complete hair transformation by clearing the cloud of conditioner misconceptions. After all, a little bit goes a long way. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.